back for this ultimate video because I wanted to be sure that one thing was been explained. I was launching most of the time. Sorry, I need to open. Well, here I am in the test. I was launching most of the time in the acceptance. Only one test after the other. Okay. So for instance, let's do this one. You see, and I mean, for instance, you can also launch here. You can launch. Well, I think it's more interesting if I'm taking another. Let's take this one. So you see the class and you have function below. So you can even think about launching the class plus the function. So I would do this. Only the function. So I'm launching only the function. For instance, if you have several class, then you can launch only this function. Okay, and also that's one thing I didn't show you is that when I was talking about making the assessment of the entire website, meaning that you are currently working and you have covered with user acceptance test your dashboard and your website. Okay, so we can check here. I have removed some of the tests that are in the Git just to be sure that I have only the one that I require for my assessment, for my acceptance suite. Okay, and for sure I can launch it completely only the suite. So I can do this, and it will go through the entire test that are in the acceptance suite. So that means that after all these tests have been performed, I can ensure that my WordPress, so maybe my web application is working. As in the previous video that I've made, I was only launching one test after the other. Right now, I'm launching the whole suite. And the idea is that it only takes maybe a few minutes to ensure that you have a correct web application online and you're ready to proceed and to go on production. So that's a very interesting asset that you have taken from CODECEPTION. Okay, so basically that was the most one of the most advantage about the user acceptance is very what I was saying here in short that each go does not turn into a nightmare. Okay, so you can easily give a go for your web application. As I'm using WordPress as an example, for instance, there was 21 tests, 36 assertion, everything is okay, everything has been working. Okay, you can check. No error. That means that basically if there was a new feature on the WordPress, it can go on production. And it took not much time. 11 seconds. No, 1 minute and that's 1 minute and 30 seconds, I guess. You see? Okay. Thank you for your attention. That was the last video, but I wanted to be sure that it was clearly understood. That's not really part of any chapter, but that was one comment that I did not give in my previous video. Thank you very much. And maybe see you soon for more explanation. Bye-bye.